Hello friends, welcome back in one more video, and today we are going to solve reading comprehension passage. Before we proceed, few suggestions for you. Whenever you are tackling in reading comprehension passage, first of all you should improve your reading habit. What is mean of reading habit? It's the way it should be read. Number 2, you should know what to read and how much to read. Number 3, you should know what is the demand of the question. All right, let us begin. I have given the whole passage in description along with the question. Go to description, read whole passage, and now make up your mind. Because once I'll read the whole passage, it will take much time. So overall elimination I'll tell you to make the video shorter. So let us begin. Look at the first part of the first passage, and after reading the first half, you will get to know overall information. It says, historians of women labor in the United States at first largely disregarded the story of female service workers, women earning wages in occupations such as sales clerk, domestic servant, and office secretary. After reading this, you must have understood that it is about the women labor. At first, it was disregarded, but later it was regarded, and that will be the overall information of the passage. So let me catch you toward the question directly. It can be inferred from the passage that unfinished revelation the author mentioned in line 13 refers to. It is the second para, first half. Let us go to passage. To explain this unfinished revelation in the status of women. What is unfinished revelation? That is previous part. It says emancipation has been less profound than expected. Not even industrial wage labor has escaped continuous sex segregation to segregation in the workplace. All right. So what is infer? Infer is that it was less profound than expected. Now let us go to option. Entry of women into the industrial labor market. No, it is about unfinished revelation was sex segregation, right? A out. B says recognition that work done by women as homemakers should be compensated. Again, it is not about money, it is not about earning. C says development of new definition of femininity unrelated to the economic forces. No doubt it was definition of femininity, but it was not unrelated, though it was related. So the word unrelated is incorrect, and that was option C out. D says introduction of equal pay for equal work in all professions. Again, it is not the comparison of payment. It is not about the equal payment, but the passage is about women work and work related information, and that is why D out. E becomes best option. Why? Because E is emancipation of women wage earners from gender determined job allocation.